Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Windows Defender or Windows Security. And I tell you about that Windows Defender guys is a security software, a default program provided by Microsoft, and it's a very important, always need to run it, but sometimes we need to disable it for installing a third party applications like game or anything like that, third party security software or anything like that. Too easy way to disable it temporarily or permanently guys. Let's do it. Jump straight into it guys. Search here guys, settings. Open it. Go to update and security. Here you need to go to Windows security guys in left side. And here you need to go to virus and threat protection. Click on it. And the new window is opening. You need to select down virus threat protection setting. You need to click on manage setting. And real-time protection, you need to disable all of these guys. Temper, everything will be asked for you guys. After installing your software, you need to re-on it guys. If you not re-on it, turned on, if gets problem your PC virus or like that. That's why I'm recommend to, after installing your game or software or third-party applications, go and turned on here. That will be safe guys. If you get security virus, your PC will slow and something like that annoying guys. So I recommend to do that. And the second method, you need to go to regit, regit registry, open it, run as administrator, click on it and click yes. Now here you need to go to HKey local machine and go to software, expand it, and you need to search for policies, expand it, go to Microsoft, expand it, and you need to select Windows Defender option over here, expand it, and policy manager in Windows Defender, right click on it and select new devote 32-bit value. Here opens new value hashtag 1. Here you need to type, be careful guys, D caps letter ISABLE, no space, ANTI, no space, A caps letter, S caps letter, SPY WARE. Disable anti-spray wave, where DISABLE, anti-SPY WARE. Press enter, double click on it, and you need to change this value data to 1 guys. And okay, that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.